Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the have, has, had words. These three different words and these three different words depend upon the tenses. Let's start. Talk about the have word. Have is used in the present tense. For example, I have a cat. If you have pen, you say I have four pen. I have a pen. If you have no pen, you say I don't have one pen, only pen. Okay. In the case of the has is also used in the present tense. For example, she has a dog. She does not have a dog. Whereas had is used in the only past tenses. Okay. For example, he had to go home. He did not have to go home. I had meeting yesterday. I did not have meeting yesterday. These all tenses depend upon the word have, has, had. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.